Guys, have you ever seen a camera inside the phone? No? Don't worry. I'll explain you and I'll show you how a camera looks inside the phone. Let's get started. First I have to remove the cover of the phone and remove the battery. And now I will remove the SIM card. And now I will dissect the phone. Now I have removed the upper cover of the camera. You can see it right through. This is the upper cover of the camera. Now I will show you the inside of the camera. As you can see, I have removed the inside part of the camera. Look at it. It has lens and it is very small in size. So this is how I dissected a phone. If you liked the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.